Hey guys, greetings from Germany and welcome on my channel. To watch any YouTube video you want without any disturbing ads, just follow this simple instruction. First you go to Google and type adblockplus.org and then hit enter. So you land on this page, and it depends on the browser you are. You get a little field down here which says get AdBlock Plus for Microsoft Edge. In my case, I'll click that now. For me, it's all in German, so you just go up here and click that blue field, and then it asks you to add the extension to your browser, and you just click here on add. Here it says installation was successful, and now you can watch any YouTube video you want without any disturbing ads. Yeah, and that's it for today's video. If it was helpful for you, I would really appreciate a like and a subscribe for my channel, and then see you next time.